Adding text in Canva, it's not just easy, it's empowering. Open your design, take a breath, and on the left-hand side, there it is, the Text tab. You'll see choices like add a heading, add a subheading, or maybe just a little body text. It's your story, after all. Click one. Watch a styled text box appear like a blank canvas waiting for your voice. Now, type. Share your message, your dream, your idea. And with just a few clicks on the toolbar above, you can change everything. The font, the size, the color, even the way the letters lean or glow. Bold it, italicize it, make it yours. Need to shift things around? Just grab the corners of that box and reshape your message. Want a shortcut to magic? Scroll down the text tab. There, professionally designed combinations, crafted to make your words shine. Click any, and they're yours to personalize. Whether you're making an image, a reel, a template, or a Canva video, your voice belongs here.